Hello students, online application form filling for MHT CET 2025 has just started and official website for same is cetcell.mahacet.org. The last day to fill your online application form for MHT CET is 15th February. Okay. तो लास्ट डे तक रुकने की जरूरत नहीं है बट यू हैव एम्पल ऑफ डेज सिंस इट हैज जस्ट स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम 30th December and last date is 15th February. So you can very well fill your online application form and the process is very simple. How to fill the form, that is what now we are going to see. The payment for this particular exam need to be done only in the online mode. MHT CET examination for PCB group will be conducted from 9th April to 17th April, whereas for CET PCM group will be any day between 19th April to 27th April. तो अभी आपको इसके लिए ऑनलाइन एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म भरना है. For that, as I said, you need to go to site cetcell.mahacet.org. यहाँ पे आपको राइट हैंड साइड में दिखेगा सीईटी एग्जामिनेशन पोर्टल फॉर एकेडमिक ईयर 25-26. So you need to click on this and then you will come across this registration page. Since you are a new user, means आप पहली बार रजिस्ट्रेशन अभी कर रहे हो, इसीलिए आपको क्लिक करना है न्यू यूजर register. So when you click on register, you will come across this particular page where you need to fill your basic information like your first name, middle name, जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे एक example दिया है, your last name, then need to enter your mail ID, okay, proper email ID which need to be functional क्योंकि इसका verification तुरंत होने वाला है. Then set password, confirm that password and enter your date of birth. With this, click on register. तो क्या होगा, आपको एक ईमेल वेरिफिकेशन आपके मेल पे आएगा. सो इमीडिएटली यू नीड टू चेक योर मेल दैट यू हैव एंटर्ड एज योर रजिस्टर्ड मेल आईडी. वहां पे आपको वेरीफाइड करके क्लिक करना होगा. यू विल रिसीव अ मैसेज दैट योर मेल आईडी इज verified and then you will be redirected on this page where now you need to sign in with your registered email ID, enter password and click on sign in. यानी आप जब फर्स्ट टाइम न्यू यूजर करके रजिस्टर करते हो तो ये स्टेप्स फॉलो कर लीजिए and then enter your registered email ID and password to start with the process. Now it will ask you to fill in your personal information. You need to enter your mobile number, 10-digit mobile number क्योंकि ये भी अभी वेरीफाई होगा. Enter first name only, father's name, mother's name, then mention your gender, your religion, which region you are from, that is from the urban area or rural area. वो सब details आपको यहाँ पे fill करने हैं. Save कीजिए changes. Then it will ask you for your mother tongue to enter, your nationality, then your family income, marital status. Okay, then you need to enter your address. ये सब fill करने के बाद आपको ये सब information save करनी है. Okay, even other details like are you domicile in the state of Maharashtra? So students, those who are born in Maharashtra, standard 10th from Maharashtra, 12th now you will be taking from Maharashtra. So obviously you need to say yes that I am domicile of Maharashtra. Okay. Then minority details. Minority का मतलब ये होता है based on your religious or linguistic. जैसे कोई गुजराती linguistic तो वो minority होता है, या फिर से Christian is रिलीजियस माइनॉरिटी, तो वो आपको यहाँ पे आपके पर्सनल डिटेल्स एंटर करने हैं. Then select your SSC passing year. You need to mention your percentage that you scored in standard 10th, from which board you passed out your standard 10th. ये सब information आपको fill करनी है and then once you save this information, okay, then you will be redirected to CET registration page. Okay, तो अभी आप सीईटी रजिस्ट्रेशन चालू करेंगे। तो when you click on CET registration, see there are number of CETs. You are going to apply or you are going to fill application form for your undergraduate course. UG का मतलब होता है undergraduate course, and that is MHT CET 2025. Okay, so when you click here for MHT CET 2025, then you will come across these set of instructions. So read these instructions and then in the checkbox, put a tick mark that I have read all the instructions. Even you can download the information brochure, and by reading all these instructions, yes, I accept, and click on proceed. The basic information that you had already filled in gets fetched automatically. That is as far as your name, your father's name, mother's name, gender, date of birth, all this information which you have already filled in gets fetched automatically. So just go through that information जो आपके सामने है. The address that you had mentioned, ये सब अभी आपका automatically fetch होके आपको यहाँ पे दिखेगा. ठीक है. अभी आपने मोबाइल नंबर जो आपका रजिस्ट्रेशन के लिए मेंशन किया था, इट विल नाउ आस्क यू टू एंटर ओटीपी. यानी आप जब ये प्रोसेस ये स्टेप पे आते हो, ओके, जब आप सेव करके ये स्टेप पे आते हो, तो इट विल आस्क यू फॉर द ओटीपी. एंटर योर ओटीपी. सो इट्स नाउ वेरीफाइंग योर मोबाइल नंबर. जैसे पहले स्टेप में आपका ईमेल आईडी वेरीफाई हुआ था, अभी आपका मोबाइल नंबर वेरीफाई होगा. सो वंस by entering OTP, you verify your mobile number, then your registration takes place. Means a candidate will be given a unique application number. तो ऐसे आपके लिए एक application number आएगा. आपके मोबाइल पे SMS आएगा that your application number is so and so. So with this application number, now you have to click to proceed. See, you will see this particular page जहां पे आपको दिखाई देगा कि आपका रजिस्ट्रेशन MHT CET के लिए आपने कर दिया है, but now you need to proceed with the application form and towards the end payment of examination fees. तो अभी एक एक स्टेप आपको आगे जाना है. ठीक है. So you will proceed with your domicile and category details. जैसे कि are you domicile of Maharashtra? Yes. Then you need to mention your caste category, whether you are from the open category or say OBC NCL, or based on your caste, may it be SC, ST, वो आपको select करना है. Then you need to mention your annual family income, क्योंकि जहाँ पे students के लिए family income is less than 8 lakhs per annum, तो based on your category you get certain benefits. जो बच्चे ओपन कैटेगरी के हैं और समझो फैमिली इनकम बिलो 8 lakhs है, तो यू आर एप्लीकेबल इवन फॉर EWS. जो बच्चे ओपन कैटेगरी के हैं, तो वॉट एवर मे बी द फैमिली इनकम, if it is above 8 lakhs, then nothing gets applicable. So you need to enter your caste and then proceed. फिर आगे का आपका स्क्रीन आएगा, that is with your qualification detail. Means when did you pass your standard 10, say 2023, then what was your score? So you need to mention percentage as per your mark sheet. The board name, say Maharashtra State Board, that you need to choose. There is a browse down button. Okay. फिर कहाँ से आपने एग्जाम पास की है, जैसे महाराष्ट्र. When are you appearing for standard 12, say now coming this year, that is 2025. So this is the way you will enter your qualification details and then proceed with CET details. Now select subject group for CET 2025. जैसे engineering aspirants will definitely select PCM group. Pharmacy aspirants can choose based on their priorities, say whether PCM or PCB, या कोई स्टूडेंट को दोनों भी देना है तो वो भी ऑप्शन अवेलेबल होता है. So majority of the students, say engineering aspirants, will go for PCM, that is physics, chemistry, maths. Then you need to select medium of क्वेश्चन पेपर, तो मदर टंग भले आपका कोई भी हो, यहाँ पे आप सिलेक्ट करोगे इंग्लिश, क्योंकि आपका पेपर जो है वो इंग्लिश में आप देने वाले हो, मीन्स द क्वेश्चन पेपर. सो कंफर्म दैट. Then you have to select city of examination, preferred city. So these four options are mandatory. Basis where you stay, you select your preference. जैसे मुंबई सिटी, सेकंड could be मुंबई suburban, then थाने, पुणे. जो बच्चे थाना साइड रहते हैं, they may select first preference as थाने, then मुंबई, मुंबई suburban, likewise. But it is mandatory to mention four preferences. Okay, generally आपको जो आप पहला देते हैं preference वही मिलेगा. So you have to click on save and proceed. Then the next step is to upload documents. To start with, photograph and signature. So you have to first select which document you want to upload. Say when you click on photograph, आपके सामने एक विंडो पॉपअप होगा जहां पे वो पूरे इंस्ट्रक्शंस दिए हैं कि which type of photograph you are required to upload, what should be the file size. आप में से काफी बच्चों ने जेईई मेन के लिए आपका फोटोग्राफ का फाइल आपके पास होगा, सिग्नेचर का होगा, so you can use the same. So after reading these instructions, students, you need to click here like, yes, I agree. And then you will be able to open file and upload file for your photograph, then select signature and upload file for your signature. After uploading photograph and signature, then you proceed ahead to select the type of identity, the proof of identity. You have several options, जैसे पैन कार्ड, पासपोर्ट, ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस, आधार कार्ड, ओके, या फिर आपका कॉलेज आईडी वगैरह. इट इज ऑलवेज एडवाइजेबल टू चूज आधार कार्ड, क्योंकि जब आप एग्जाम सेंटर जाते हो, you need to carry your proof of identity, so it is better to carry Aadhaar card. So I have selected here as Aadhaar. So when you select Aadhaar card as a proof of identity, then will ask you to upload your Aadhaar card. ठीक है, तो वो आपको 500 KB के साइज में आधार कार्ड का PDF आपको अपलोड करना है. Once you complete uploading these documents, then the system will ask you to review the entire form that you have already filled in. So thoroughly go all the details that you have filled in, check all the information you have filled in is right, it is proper, and once you check entire information, then you proceed for the payment. So fees for the individual group, like for PCM, for general category students, it is 1000 rupees, and that need to be paid in the online mode. तो आपको यहाँ पे एप्लीकेशन फी 1000, यहाँ पे जो चेक बॉक्स दिख रहा है वहां सिलेक्ट करना है, एंड देन यू हैव टू प्रोसीड टू पे योर एग्जामिनेशन फीस. Okay, so this process is very simple. Okay, it will not take much time. Only thing is you need not wait till the last day to fill your application form, क्योंकि तभी तो आपके 12th बोर्ड्स भी चालू होंगे, है ना. तो इसीलिए आप अभी जनवरी महीने में एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म फिलिंग कंप्लीट कर सकते हो. Now, MHT CET exam for you will be in the month of April. Now, in February, you are going to take your boards. So, how you would do better in MHT CET 2025? Yes, at Vidyalankar, we do have a crash course for MHT CET. We do have score booster books for students and even online test series that will definitely help you to score good in MHT CET. The crash course is free for all our Vidyalankar classroom enrolled students. But for other students, let me tell you that our crash course at our respective centers is going to commence from 24th of February. We do have an online batch. Students who are not from Mumbai can very well take benefit of our online batch, which is starting from 8th of March. In crash course, we will cover entire syllabus. We will revise the entire syllabus. There will be daily test plan, entire sessions. All the sessions will be conducted by expert faculty. There will be daily tests with the detailed solutions and analysis, and 20 full syllabus full length tests will be conducted. Students, we do even have score booster books for physics, chemistry, maths, biology. So these are the books where all previous years actual MHT CET papers from all the shifts from 2021 to 2024 are in the topic wise, in the chapter wise, year wise format. So solving these MCQs will definitely boost your score at MHT CET. These books are available for all students on Amazon and Flipkart. Our MHT CET 2025 online test series has 20 full syllabus full length test exactly as per the final revised MHT CET syllabus and the pattern. Detailed solutions and detailed performance analysis for every test will be available in the online format. This test series is, of course, free for all our enrolled students, but other students can definitely purchase this test series, which is available on our ePay, which is even given in the link. So with all these resources, students, we are sure you will excel in MHT CET 2025. For any details, you can contact us on 4232-4232. Our website is www.vidyalankar.org. So all the very best for your upcoming boards and MHT CET examination.